Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to customize the sync setting in your Chrome app. Launch the Chrome app, tap on these three dot options and go to settings, and within the settings you will see the second option, which is sync, which is currently turned on, and right now the sync everything toggle is switched, so all the data in your Chrome app on your Android will be automatically synced to all the connected device. Now if you want to disable the sync, what you can do is you can simply turn off this toggle and disable this checkboxes for all the data that you do not want to sync between the devices. So once it is done, data will not syncing, and the data which is there in your phone will remain on your phone, and the data which is there on your computer will remain on your computer. So in this way you can customize the sync setting. However, if you want to sync the data between the devices, you can always keep this toggle switch on and keep your data in sync between the devices. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.